Hi, my name's Kaneez and I'm a physician's assistant at Mission Pediatrics, and today I'm here to demonstrate how to make Coconut Burfi. This is a traditional dessert and it's made in India for many occasions. Weddings, as gifts, holiday, traditional ceremonies, they make Burfi a lot. It consists of 2 cups of coconut, shredded, fresh coconut, 1 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee, and then the special ingredient that's cardamom. It's a very aromatic spice. All right, so we're gonna start. We put 2 tablespoons of ghee in the pan that's already been heated. Preheated pan there. We add our coconut flakes. Very simple. Coconut has quite a few good properties to it. It's high in fat, but the good fat. It also has lots of minerals. It's an antioxidant, so it's got some really good properties. It's good for people with diabetes, lowers your insulin. Just kind of mix it together, cook it for about 7 to 10 minutes. And once it's cooked, you're able to set it in a pre-greased tray here, dab it with a spatula, and then cut it into squares, and you have that ready. You want to sprinkle some cardamom either in the recipe or even on top. So that's it, a very simple recipe with coconut burfi, 2 cups of coconut, grated, 1 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter, and we have some cardamom for spice. It's very, very aromatic. Good flavor there to it. So we've got this going, and I'm gonna add the cardamom. We're gonna go ahead and just kind of stir the whole thing together. Once it's mixed well and you notice that it stirs away from the sides, you can put it in the pre-greased tray. You have to cool it for about an hour and cut it into squares, and it's ready to eat. Delicious coconut burfi.
In a world where disclaimers are boring, one man...
Excuse me, Mr. Movie Trailer Voice Guy, please just read the copy in front of you.
Oh, sorry. This video is intended to give you informative, educational information. It is not intended for you to self-treat or diagnose yourself or your family. Because we want you to make good medical decisions when it comes to you and your family's health. Please first talk to your doctor before trying or attempting any of the information that you have seen or heard in this video. Thank you.